Hi, my name is Tyler Bilby and I work for Young's Insurance Brokers Incorporated. I'm the Vice President of General Operations and Sales here in the organization, and I've been here for the better part of 20 years. Spent a lot of my time in the Niagara region working at various offices, predominantly in the Welland and St. Catharines locations. Our history gives us a great deal of pride here at Young's Insurance. Founded in 1910 by a gentleman named Robert Carl Young in Niagara Falls, Ontario, is a big part of why we are where we are today. Cool piece of history with our brokerage is back at that time, a fire insurance policy was the only insurance policy you could purchase. So the first policy delivered by Young's Insurance was actually via bicycle, something similar to what you can see here in my background, although a little bigger. We offer anything from auto, home, business insurance, life insurance, health benefits, group home and auto, motorcycle insurance. In fact, we have a great motorcycle product in Street Rider, and you can find us at streetrider.ca. Has its own website for the motorcycle enthusiast where you can learn tricks and tips when it comes to biking and how to insure your motorcycle. There's nothing we can't handle or nothing we don't want to look at. If you have a question, please give us a call today. Young's Insurance gives back to the community through our Give Back Ontario campaign, which is roughly a decade old. It's very important to us to start something and be measured in how we want to help. We do have on our website, we do have a Give Back Ontario tab where people can go in and make requests for charities and things that matter most to them. And based on what we are supporting that year, whether it's children's foundations or hospital foundations, whatever it may be, we choose accordingly. And as much as we would love to help everybody, we have to be strategic in how we approach these things, but we try and make sure that we can spread out the love as much as we can and help as many people as we can. And that's no different this year. We're pivoting our golf tournament now that we've done working with McMaster 4 now. We'll be supporting Hospice Niagara, which is very important. I'm going to keep it simple. Pick up the phone. Take pride in your professionalism. The more our industry becomes transactional, the less value you have as a professional. We're big believers here at Young's that it's very difficult to understand an individual's risk by being transactional, by just sending emails, by just sending text messages. I think it's very important to get to know our clients. So that would be the best advice I can give others in the industry and our current staff here at Young's is engage, communicate, build trust, make sure as much as we're moving into 2025 and there's different ways to communicate that we never lose sight of the most impactful way. And that is by picking up the phone and having a good human being conversation. What's next for Young's Insurance? A lot. The future at its core is what's next for us. And a lot of hard work is going to have to take place for a successful future, but building for the future is what's next. What makes our company different? There's a couple things that stand out. First and foremost, our independence. We are one of the largest independent brokers in the province, representing multiple insurance carriers. And through our growth and being a corporation, maintaining our independence and making sure that we are in charge of how we want to run this business and where we want it to go is very important. And the reason for that is this is a family-based business where a lot of hard work has gone into it, and we want to see it through. So something that sticks out and really will always separate us is we are a large corporation with 25 offices and the better part of 200 employees, but there's still very much a family feel. As much as we're a provincial brokerage, the Niagara region is very important to us here at Young's because that's where we got our start. So the Niagara Construction Association is close to our heart. It's businesses in the Niagara region that have stories, a history, a journey. We've talked today about philanthropy and Give Back Ontario and the things that are important to Young's Insurance. When you look at some of the NCA members and the work that they've done in the community over the years, our brothers, our sisters, our mothers, our fathers, they get to reap the benefits of that hard work and that philanthropy. And so that is understanding we're working with like-minded individuals within the association is something that stands out. Let's start with the website, www.youngsinsurance.ca. Please visit us there and feel free to have a look at the different offerings, the different kind of insurance we provide. Our Give Back Ontario campaign, little information on there as well. In addition to that, please visit our social media platforms in Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. An educated consumer is the best consumer. And I strongly advise for you to check out our social media platforms. We have a great team at Young's that is constantly trying to add content that will allow you to be more educated in the insurance process. A lot of good little videos and clips to learn about house insurance or auto insurance, business insurance. So please check out our social media profiles. In addition to that, we love to see our clients. We love to see the people that make us who we are. Visit one of our local offices today, whether it be Park Coburn or Fort Erie, Welland, St. Catharines, Niagara Falls, or go see Silvio in our Grimsby office. We have a lot of local brokers ready to serve you in the community, and we welcome you in the front door.